Hello students, let us start chapter number 16, A Busy Month. This is a picture of a famous author Gijubai Badeka. He lived in Gujarat. He has written many stories for children. A Busy Month is the letter written by Gijubai Badeka for children. He wrote this letter on 13th April 1936 from Bhavnagar in Gujarat. In this letter, he mentioned the names of various birds and how they prepare their nest. The birds build their nest in pairs to lay their eggs and protect their young ones from their enemies. When the eggs are hatched, the chicks come out of the eggs, and both the mother and the father bird feed them. This is an Indian robin. Its nest is made of grass, twigs, roots, wool, hair, and cotton wool. So it is very soft for the chicks. We all know this bird. Yes, a crow. A crow's nest is made of all kinds of things, even pieces of wire and wood. The crow built its nest high up on a tree. This is a koel. It sings sweetly. Do you know that koel does not make its own nest? It lays its eggs in the crow's nest. You can see here koel's egg is different from the crow's eggs. Here one chick is of koel and other is of crow. This is a dove. It makes its nest among the thorns of cactus plant or mehendi hedge. This is a sparrow. It can be found in and around our house. It makes its nest anywhere on top of the cupboard or on a ledge. Pigeons also makes their nest like this. Many times they make their nest in old buildings. The barbet or coppersmith makes its nest in a hole of a tree trunk. So during summer season we can hear its sound tuck tuck tuck. Tailor bird. It is called tailor bird because it stitches together two leaves of a bush. You can see this in this picture. This is a sunbird. The sunbird nest has hair, grass, thin twigs, dry leaves, cotton wool, pieces of cloth, etc. The weaver bird. The male weaver bird makes beautiful nest. The female weaver bird chooses the one she likes the best. You can see this in the picture. There are many nests of weaver birds hanging on the coconut tree. Birds have many enemies such as humans, snakes, crows, squirrels, cats, and rats. Many times they steal their eggs and even break their nest. Students, birds take lot of trouble to build their nest and bring up their young ones. So, When we see their nest or chicks inside it, we must not touch them or break them. Students, most important is that we should save our trees so that birds comes in our places, build their nest, sing with joy and makes our life happy. Thank you.